Hello and welcome everyone. My family was asking that I provide some gyan about finance. I've been talking a lot at the dining table for many years. I thought I would do things little differently for a change. Instead of talking, let me create a good video series that explains finance basic in the most straightforward way possible. In my opinion, all colleges must teach this as a subject just before a student starts his career. In this video, I'll explain the fundamental terms used in finance. Let's begin with revenue, the most important thing for everyone. If there is no revenue, the business will close, the government will become bankrupt, and so on. In simple words, it's a salary or paycheck. You will not work for an organization unless they pay for your work at the end of each month. It's money you receive from your customers for selling products and services if you are running a business. In short, it is incoming money. Cost is the opposite of revenue. It's money you spend on needs, wants, and addictions. It's money spent on setting up and running businesses for business class people. In short, it is outgoing money. Another related term is revenue forecast or income forecast. As the word indicates, it is an estimate of revenue or income. To further simplify, each family earns money or income either by business or job. For most people in job, their income is known for a year, so it is easy to estimate their revenue. The business community finds it hard to predict income due to several factors, but they also learn eventually. Let me explain the budget now. In simple words, the budget is an estimate of cost, an estimate of outgoing money. After explaining these terms, let me explain a complicated one, the cash flow. It is a difference between revenue and cost. If your cost is higher than revenue, you have a negative cash flow. If so, you are taking a loan from a bank or others to survive. In simple word, it is called bankruptcy. Profit is similar to cash flow, but usually calculated at the end of financial year. When you calculate profit, you also cover many other costs like depreciation, interest, tax, etc. All companies try to show as much cost as possible to reduce overall profit and reduce the tax payment to the government. Saving is even more straightforward. It's revenue minus all cost. It is different from cash flow because it is a surplus money you don't need for your needs, wants, and addictions. Although these are fundamental terms, I find many people do not understand them. I explain these terms because it is challenging for people to save money without understanding these basic terms. I recommend that you mug up these terms if required. First thing first, if you want to become rich, you must learn to save as much money as possible. In simple words, one must learn to live within means and save as much as you can. And the second one, you must try to earn more and more money and increase your revenues. It sounds straightforward, but 80% of people can't do it. In case you don't know, 97% of world's wealth is occupied or owned by 3% of the total population.